Very easy. Just keep the knees
Elongation of hamstring.
out. Stabilize just above the joint line or on your superior pole of your patella. Grasp the ankle firmly around the malleoli and just bring it up. And kung mabigat, matira ka na. Lapit ka. Okay? Kung mabigat pa rin yan para sa nangyari. Ayan pa.
Pwede ba mag-video?
Diba? Sabit mo dito. Start down. And then just stabilize over the superior pole of the patella and just sit up from that. Okay? But we are not stretching. Remember, we are not stretching. We're doing range of motion exercises. So, repetitions to. Pagbaba mo dito,
Gideon,
pakibaya, all the way up. Okay? What is the end feel that will be here? You'll most probably feel tightness of your hamstrings. Okay? One way to check for how much range of motion you have, that's pure hip flexion with hamstrings, okay, is you palpate ASIS. Alam niyo sa ASIS niyo? It's that pointy bit sa hips, okay? So you palpate that. Dati hindi nyo matututunan ito sa mga bro. You palpate that and as you're lifting the leg up, mapipil mo mag-rotate yung ASIS mo posteriorly. Meaning, gaganon. Mag-rotate that. Now, why does that rotate posteriorly? Because your hamstring is connected to your ischial tuberosity, which is connected to your whole pelvis, right? Now, once na pumila na yan, wala nang ibang pupuntahan, mag-rotate na yung pelvis. So this is his true hamstring length. Hanggang dyan lang. Tapos, that's the length of his hamstrings lang. Kasi hindi kasama yung stimulation. Ibig sabihin, wala nang stretch ng hamstring.